All right, so we're back again, just going through how you do the installation of our project and run our project. To start with, the first thing that you need to do is you need to clone our directory. So I'm going to do it through the internet really quick by going to github.com. Right? Github.com. You could sign in or sign up. Um, I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my information really quick. All right, so here we are at what is should look like your home page for the GitHub. Um, our GitHubs particularly is the FIU SCIS Senior Projects / Exploring the Unconscious 1.0. And here you can actually see what is in our directory right now. Um, what you would do in order to run this is the first thing that you would do is you would clone this. You could either download the zip is what I recommend. You can also do this through the command line as well, just by copying this link, actually, this link right here, and then using the command git clone followed by the link, which you would copy and paste here, right? If you hit enter, it will go ahead and clone our directory. But for right now, since I already have my directory here, right, you can actually see it right here, exploring the unconscious. Um, you would go ahead and command into that, change the current directory into that directory so that this is our new working directory here. And here we have the Exploring the Unconscious GUI, the Exploring the Unconscious algorithm, and Exploring the Unconscious. The Java file is inside Exploring the Unconscious algorithm, and it is ran by Exploring the Unconscious GUI. You could do this through NetBeans, which you can get here. NetBeans. You can just Google that, and that should be the first link, netbeans.org, and you can actually run that straight through your computer through NetBeans. Okay, you would want the NetBeans platform SDK here for the Java SE or the Java EE, which is a free download right here, and you can look that up through your system requirements or anything that you may need. So, in order to actually run the um, the application, what you would need to do is you would need to go into the working directory, which is Exploring the Unconscious, right? And as you see here, there's a lot of different files and a lot of different directories here. But the one that we're mainly focused on is index.ios.js or index.android.js. To run this, it's a simple React command actually to run this on the simulator. React-native space run -ios, and then when you hit enter, it'll actually, I'll hit enter right now and show you guys. It'll actually find the Xcode project and go ahead and run that for you. And then you would be able to see that here, actually running on the iOS uh, uh, on the iOS simulator, and you'd actually see that running here, where you'd be able to click around and everything like that. To halt it is just simply hitting Command C and halting that process. Um, but there you have it. That's actually how you completely run our program and install it. One thing I'll add also is to make sure that you install all dependencies. If you don't already have Node Package Manager, I recommend downloading it. It's very simple to download. Once again, you could just type in Node.js on Google, and it should be the first link right here, which has an actual really great documentation on how you get started with Node.js, because there are some certain packages in the package.json file that you do need to install, and all of that is listed actually right here. And once you download Node, you can actually install all of those things and get it up and running, simply by hitting node install, or npm install rather, npm, which stands for Node Package Manager install, and it'll install all the dependencies needed for the application to run. I think that's just about it when it comes to the installation of our application. For the end user, it would just be as simple as downloading from the App Store and running and clicking to start on their device, because it installs all of that automatically, as the application does compile to native iOS and Android components. But that's about it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.